Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys this eye look right here with the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette. This is the Vol.2. This is a really pretty warm toned look. I really love it. I already created another eye look with this palette. It was a sunset one. So if you guys haven't seen that, I will link it up in the IO and you guys can check it out. If you guys would like to see the tutorial on this look right here, please just keep on watching. So I'm going to start out using my e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer. For the look today, I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette Volume 2, this new palette, and I'm going to start off with the color Certified right here and a Real Techniques shading brush, and I'm just going to set down my inner corner and my brow bone. Then I'm going to take my Morphe JH40 brush and I'm going to take the color G Money, this one right here, and I'm just going to blend that in my crease. With a Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush, I'm going to use the color Homebody right here, and I'm going to blend that in my crease. It's just a little bit warmer, so it'll help warm everything up. And I'm going to take the first brush that we, well, not the first brush that we used, the brush for the color G Money. I'm going to tap in just once, and then I'm going to blend at the very tip top very lightly and blend everything, blend that color out with that. And then just go back with a little bit more of Certified and go in with this big Morphe JH30 brush and blend at the very top. That. And I'm going to go in with my Morphe JH41 brush and the red color Live In My Best. And I'm just gonna pack this all over my lid. And then I'm going to deepen up the outer corner a little bit with this Morphe JH39 brush and the color Temptress, the black color. I'm just going to darken up the very outer area right here where the browns are. and then go back in with the browns and blend that out. And that's pretty much the whole entire eyeshadow portion. It's pretty easy, but it's really beautiful. I love it. I'm just cleaning up down on my lower lash line, clean up any of the fallout. So now I'm just creating a winged eyeliner with this Physicians Formula Eye Booster waterproof ultrafine liquid liner. I already started doing it, and then I was like, I should probably film this. I'm sorry about my voice. I think I sound a little stuffy. My nose is just a little stuffy, so I'm gonna do my face makeup now. I'm gonna use my Revlon photoready pore reducing primer. For foundation, I'm gonna use some of my old favorites. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear foundation. Dot that all over my face. Use my e.l.f. sponge and just blend this all in. Concealer, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I'm gonna set my face with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Okay, so I'm gonna put a nude eyeliner in my waterline. I'm gonna use the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade Silky Nude. And this will help brighten up your eyes and make them look more open and awake. And then I'm going to go in with this Morphe JH43 brush and the color G Money and Homebody on that brush. And I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. And I'm going to curl my lashes and apply my Essence Lash Princess mascara. Okay, so now I'm going to do my cheeks. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the shade Sun Beige. And I'm going to take this on the Morphe JH02 brush. I'm going to take my Morphe M523 brush and my Wet n Wild Make It Glow contouring palette and use that to contour. For blush, I'm going to use the Milani blush, baked blush in the color Berry Amore. And it's the cutest blush ever. And I'm going to use my Morphe JH04 brush for this. Just use this for blush. And then I'm going to do highlighter. I'm going to use my e.l.f. highlighter in white gold. It's like a very light gold. It works so that way it works for my skin tone. Or at least I can use it on my skin tone. I'm just using this Morphe JH07 brush because I can't find my normal highlighter brush right now. I'm also going to take this and put it in my inner corners. So then now for lips, I'm going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color. Going to lighten up the center of my lips with the CoverGirl cream lipstick in the shade Dulce de Leche. Completed makeup tutorial with this Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Nice warm toned with the red color from this palette. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.